intro video about your new induction range. In this video, we will be showing you how to use your induction range to the best of its abilities. Thank you.
These warnings are not a substitute to not read the manual. We're just reiterating some things that might be overlooked. What's great about your new stove is that it uses an electromagnet to induce heat in the cookware. Just like every other stove, flammable materials and heat-sensitive items like paper, plastic, and hard plastic should not be stored in the oven or on the cooktop. These items can melt or ignite.
Only use aluminum as recommended for baking, such as lining cookware or as a cover placed over food. Do not cover an oven rack with aluminum or use as an oven liner.
Do not allow aluminum foil or any material that can melt to make contact with your ceramic glass stovetop. It may bond to the ceramic glass cooktop and cause damage. Please use cookware with flat bottoms. To get the best results when cooking, use the stovetop heating element that fits the size of the pan being used. Below each heating element is a copper coil. When the stove is turned on, the electricity is sent to the coil, making it into a magnet. So that's what creates the heat in your cookware. Try the magnet test to see if the piece of cookware will heat up on your induction cooktop. If the magnet clings firmly to the bottom of the cookware, it will work on your induction cooktop. Only use recommended cookware. Don't worry, your Dutch ovens and your cast iron pots and pans still work. Just do the magnet test before using them. A great indicator that your cookware is induction ready is to look at this symbol printed on the box. Fun fact, cookware will heat up a lot faster than on a conventional electric cooktop.
The cooktop controls will display power level settings starting with this symbol. Then follows P, which is the highest cooking setting and speeds up the cooking process. P stands for power boost and is only available for 10 minutes.
Sorry to interrupt you, Kelsey, but did you guys catch that buzzing sound? At the highest setting, the magnetic field over the induction cooking element may cause cookware to vibrate. To hear a slight buzzing or humming noise is normal. Back to you, Kelsey.
Thanks, Nia. The high setting comes next. Also note that in this view, you can see the heating element light. That is not a control function, but an indicator light. Settings between 9 and 2 follow after and decrease and increase in increments of 1. The last setting is the low setting.
You may need to use a lower setting when cooking on your cooktop. While filming, we noticed it took roughly 3 to 5 minutes to boil an entire quart of water. That's 3 times faster than on your regular gas stove.
The heating element may appear to have cooled. Pay attention to the hot surface indicator light. Do not slide anything metal or glass across a cooktop. Always use clean cookware. Do not use cookware with dirt or dirt buildup on the bottom. Do not use your cooktop as a cutting board or work surface in the kitchen. Do not drop heavy or hard objects on the cooktop. Do not use large amounts of water on the control panel. If the cooktop should break, do not operate it. Do not clean it. Fun fact, electric stoves heat more efficiently than gas stoves, meaning the kitchen will stay cooler when the stove is on. Shiny aluminum and non-coated bakeware is best for even heating. It is suitable for all baked goods. Recommended cooking temperatures and times are based on shiny metal bakeware. Dark bakeware cooks hotter than shiny bakeware. Reduce the cooking temperature by 25 degrees. Glass bakeware cooks hotter than shiny bakeware. Reduce the cooking temperature by 25 degrees when using glass bakeware. Insulated bakeware cooks cooler than shiny bakeware. Insulated bakeware is designed for baking in gas ovens. Increase the cooking temperature by 25 degrees when using insulated bakeware. For best baking results, fully preheat the oven before baking. When baking items like cookies, cakes, biscuits, breads, frozen pies, and casseroles using a single rack, use rack position 4. For best results when baking cakes and cookies using 2 oven racks, place racks in positions 3 and 5. Remember to use the broiler pan and its insert with broiling. Most foods may be broiled at a high broiling setting. For the best results, preheat the broil setting for 2 to 5 minutes before adding food. Place the broiler pan and insert on the oven rack. Broil with the oven door open to the broil stop position. Do not use searing grill on the cooktop.
If you or anyone in the apartment has a pacemaker or a medical device similar, please contact building management.
Control lock feature is used to lock the oven controls. Bake button turns on the bake feature. Broil button turns on the broil feature. The oven light function turns on the light inside of the oven and also turns on when the oven door opens. Self-clean function begins the self-clean feature. It can be used with arrow keys to select the 2 or 3 hour self-cleaning setting. The set clock function sets the time of day on your control panel. The arrow keys are used with this function as well. Oven indicator light means your oven is operating. The preheat light will glow when your oven is preheating. The door lock light will flash when your oven door locks and unlocks. These are the up and down arrows referenced with the previous functions. These are used whenever you have multiple options. The timer on-off sets or cancels the minute timer. Bake time is used to enter the length of baking time desired. Off button clears any feature except the time of day and the minute timer. Start time feature is used with bake and self-clean features. It sets a delayed start time. Oven vent is located here. Steam or moisture may appear near the oven vent. This is normal. This is necessary for proper air circulation in the oven and good baking results. Never close or block the oven vent. The gasket is a woven material on the oven door used for a good seal. You should not rub, damage, or remove the gasket.
What's safe about your new stove is that the induction cooktop will get cooler faster, making it less likely for you to get burned. Spills are also less likely to burn onto the cooktop, making cleanup a lot easier.
You have the option to use warm water with dish liquid or 1 part water, 1 part vinegar solution to clean grease and stains. Use soft cloths to clean surfaces to prevent scratches. Abrasive cleaners are not recommended. Remember, do not use cleaning solutions on a hot cooktop. The fumes can be hazardous to your health and can chemically damage the ceramic glass surface.
If you would like more instructions on how to clean your cooktop, you can go to the Care and Cleaning section of your manual or the Before You Call section, and/or contact management.
Before starting the self-clean cycle, remove oven trays and clean any excessive spills with hot soapy water and a cloth. Be mindful of the temperature and oven door lock function when self-cleaning cycle is on. Some birds are extremely sensitive to the fumes given off during the self-clean cycle of any oven. Please move birds to another well-ventilated room.
If you have problems troubleshooting, be sure to look at your Before You Call section in the manual. If not, you can always call management.
Hello again. This concludes the intro video for your new induction range. Thank you for watching. We reference the Frigidaire use and care manual for all information in this video.